Hello friends, welcome to Hello English. My name is Rupam. Language is like a garden. You take it any language. English, Hindi, French, Spanish. It is like a garden. In a garden, we find different flowers. Some flowers fades away. New flowers comes. Same in the case of language. Old words fades away. We don't use them. And new modern words comes. The words which was used during the time of Shakespeare, during the ancient ages, we don't use all the words. Many words fade away. It's dead now. And it has been replaced by many modern words. So today you will see some very beautiful modern words. You can use them in your daily life. The English which we learn in our school is one way somehow old. Old because our syllabus hardly changes. After many years, the English syllabus changes. So, we are not aware of many new words. When we go to office, when we join new companies, that time we realize that there are so many new words which we don't know. And the people, the employees who work in that company, their English is in the next level. And that is why I always say, if you want to keep yourself updated, if you want to know what all new words have come up, you have to read newspaper, articles, journals, etc. And if you know this type of new words, and when you join a company, your boss will always say, "Wow, what an employee is this? He can speak English so well. He uses so many modern words. He will surely help our company." So, today I am going to share with you 5 modern words so that your English can reach the next level and you will be able to speak modern English. The first word, show, a word said to frighten or drive away a person or animal. Suppose you find a bird sitting in the seat of your bike. You will be scared. Maybe the bird will do potty and you need to clean it. In such cases, you can shoo the bird away. This is how this word has come, which means to frighten or drive away. This word is not only for bird or animal. Remember, it can be used for anyone in any situation. In Hindi, we say chal hat. Let's understand this by few examples. I want to comfort her, but she shooed me away. What does it mean? That you went to talk to her and to become friendly, but she didn't like it. Get out, everybody. Shoo, shoo. Means you don't like the noise, you don't like the crowd. You are asking the people to go out of your place. The police shoo the mob away. It means the police is driving away the crowd. Next, many times we find that the kids, they run to cross the road. We have to stop them. Wait, wait. So when we have to use this word wait, suddenly we have a new modern word for that. The word whoa. How this word came into market? English horsemen, when they ride horse, and at certain point of time they have to stop the horse. They pull the reins and with their mouth they say whoa. So in this way this word came. Suppose you are talking to someone but that person is not listening to you. Okay, you can say in such cases, whoa, please listen to me. Next, sometimes we do such silly things and after some time we just laugh on ourselves. As for example, We keep the mobile in our hand and we search the mobile somewhere else. Or we wear the spec and we search somewhere else. In such cases, we say da. Suppose tomorrow is Sunday and you are telling your wife, tomorrow is my holiday. I will take you to the bank to open your account. Your wife replies, well, tomorrow is holiday. And you realize and you say, da. Next, when you ask someone to be quiet, we say shh. From here, we got the word shush, which means you tell or signal someone to be silent. When someone fights with you, okay, and he or she is asking you to be quiet, you can say, don't you shush me. It means, don't ask me to stay quiet. Suppose in a movie hall, few kids are making noise. You can tell their parents, please ask your kids to shush. Another example, my aunt shushed me when I asked her for money. It means my aunt asked me to stay quiet when I asked money from her. Next one, when we ask someone some question and they have to reply in yes or no. For example, Sachin, can you tell me, is Gangtok good for summer vacation? Yes or no? In modern English, we say yay or nay. Got it? So, for you, I'm asking, after watching this video, what do you think? This video is yay or nay? Do let me know. I wish you all the best. Thank you so much.